Evening, everyone. It's Mike here, Milis Boys RC with a Z. If you want, like and subscribe on YouTube, and hit the notifications bell. And every once in a while, I'll do a unboxing like this, or I'll try to. Got a new camera angle. Hope it's all gonna work a little better than me trying to hold it and open at the same time. But whatever. Yeah. If you want to like and subscribe on YouTube. Other half is my little man Nolan. Love you, buddy. Miss you, and I'll see you tomorrow, okay? It's our little collection here. Had all three S's until we got that. The Mojave. Absolutely love it. But that's what the box is about, because of this thing. Wasn't really happy with the performance of it. Got our little monster Sentin Beast Pro Lines. Love it. It's actually my favorite one until we got this, and it's my little man's Big Rock. So yeah, it's our little work area. Let's get to the unboxing here. Let's see, tap that back a little. Okay. Got this via Amazon. I paid a little bit more, so came in a day, but I guess it's better than waiting a month to get it from China or wherever else. So I ordered the Flysky fsgt5 6 channel 2.4 gigahertz, and that's about all I know so far. I won't be really good with all the technicalities, so yeah, just gonna do a little unboxing. Let's see, it's got bi-directional system, frequencies hopping, omnidirectional high gain antenna. I think you can run it up or down, folds, digital identification, and low power. This includes the receiver, which is the fs-B6. BS6. Wow. Okay, there we go. Eyes are getting bad. Okay, here's some more specifications. It says model type for car or boat. Excuse me as I'm trying to read this upside down. Number of channels, 6. 2.4 gigahertz protocol. Blah blah blah. Channel resolution 4096. Not sure what that means, but it does have an LCD display, which is nice. Dumb it down for people like me, probably, hopefully. Again, that's the model name fs-g5, and that's for the transmitter. This is for the receiver, which is the fs-BS6. Again, 6 channels, blah blah blah, 8.25 grams for the weight. Dimensions are 29 by 22 by 16.2. Input power 4 through 8.4 volts. Again, I don't know anything about that. What does it say here? Need 4 AA's, or you can have 2S lithium battery. And somebody mentioned something about that on the ARMA RC page about getting that. I might have to look into it. Anyways, moving along. Wow. Pretty nice. I believe I paid $75 for this, but I could be wrong. I know it was right around there. Pretty nice box. software box. So here we have the quick start guide. Alright, that's in Chinese, so I can't read that. Other side, there we go. Alright, your typical how to set it up real quick. I'm sure bind it. Basic operations, installing batteries. The transmitter overview gives you precautions. Again with the specs. Oh yeah, let's read through that later. This top tray looks what appears to be for the grip for your transmitter. If your hands are a little larger. Very nice molded packaging. Keep it safe. So here is the receiver. Comes with a bind plug. It should fit in there nice. Nice and small, compact. Transmitter itself. Of course, everyone always talks about how it feels in their hand, so hold on. Put some of this stuff away so I don't lose it. So I won't be hooking it up for a couple days. And then I will let you know. Hook it up to the Mojave and run it and let you know my thoughts. But until then, I have to use the STX2 that came with it. So I guess I'll remove the batteries quick. Oh, I can actually keep those in there. Yeah, the Spectrum, I don't know, it just feels awkward. Heads up, tires flying. It's not weighted that bad, but it just feels really oversized, I guess, for what you get. Anyways, yeah, even compared to the Tactic, it's a good quality radio that come with all the 3S models we have. All right. Slide this open. Batteries laying around here somewhere. All right, there we go. I guess we'll just power on right here. Oh. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna have to go through the instruction manual, the quick start guide, and look to see what this all does. But if channels 5 and 6 are up here. Your steering trim, throttle trim, binding. Then they have all these different, up here it says model, name, I'm sure that's for binding. 4. Steering, channel 3. Yeah, I mean, I like the way it feels. There's not that where you get in a lot of other receivers. You get that midway. You're halfway, your home point, and it's not smooth through there. I don't know. I mean, this just feels a little bit better. And the wheel feels better too. So, like I said, LCD display. GT5A, Model 1. Okay. Not really sure what's going on right now, but when I get it all set up, there we go. Forgot about the antenna too. That flips up. Or down for out of the way. If you're running short, I guess you don't need it up. I guess I don't know why you wouldn't. Yeah, when I get it hooked up to the Mojave, I'll let everyone know how I think. How the performance was, handling. Hopefully it, from what I've read, you're not going to have the lag you had. The base model, Spectrum. Alright. I'm sure that didn't help too many people, but in case you were wondering what you get, this is what you get. And I like it so far. Aesthetically, cosmetically. We'll see about the performance. Have a good night, everyone. Love you, little man. Make sure you're behaving too, alright?